Good morning, everyone. It's Kelly Fischer from Treasure Coast Sotheby's International Realty, your local real estate agent here on the Treasure Coast, serving Vero Beach, Sebastian, and the surrounding areas. Thank you so much for coming back to my video blog this month. Today's topic is taxes. Yes, they are inevitable. We can't avoid them. And it is the time of year where we like to reach out to our clients and people that we've served in the past year and remind you that you are supposed to be getting things together to do your taxes. And here I have in my hand what's called the ALTA statement. And the ALTA statement is the breakdown of the charges and expenses you had when you bought or sold a home. And some of them are tax deductible. So you will want to have a copy of your ALTA if you did any real estate transactions in 2017 to provide to your tax provider, your CPA. So if you can't find it, don't know what happened to it, please be sure to reach out to us here at my team. Any of the girls in our office can easily email you a copy of your ALTA statement so that you can get all of your figures correct. So here it is, the middle to end of February by the time you get this video. A lot of sellers have been questioning whether broker open houses are effective in getting a home sold. Typically my answer is, there are a lot of things that we as real estate agents can do to market and promote a home. And the truth is that in today's world, the majority of the communication about new homes on the market, changes with listings on the market, they're all done electronically. So brokers open houses were something that we did quite a bit back in the 90s when I first got into real estate before we had the internet. And we used to all jump in somebody's car and we called it a caravan, go out and look at all the new listings on Thursdays because that was really the only way we had to look at properties, was to go see them. Nowadays, of course, we can go online and we can see 40, 50 pictures, virtual tours, Google Maps, all of those things, and really have a good sense of a property without having to drive 20 minutes to the property, 20 minutes back. Now, that being said, if an agent really has an interested customer in a property and wants to preview it, that is certainly an option. And I think a lot of agents do that due diligence for their customers and go preview properties. However, the broker's open house, in my opinion, is really not a tool that a lot of agents take advantage of anymore. And while we have hosted brokers open houses and attended brokers open houses, the truth is they're not very well attended in today's day and age. So if you're thinking about buying or thinking about selling, we'd love to talk to you more about the market and what's happening and the tools that we have that are effective and what we can do to help you with your buying and selling needs. So please reach out to us at the number below and give us a call in the office or send us an email. We'd be very happy to talk with you. And thanks again for visiting the video blog, kellyfisherteam.com, and I hope you have a blessed day.